Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Socratic by Google application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Socratic by Google application on your device, and once the application is opened, you will see the sign in to continue button. Now, since this application is by Google, all your account information is automatically linked with your Google account. So simply tap on sign in to continue and then select the Google account that you used to sign up for your account. After you tap on your Google account, you will immediately be logged in and you will be asked to allow access to your camera. Tap on the Let's Go button and then go ahead and allow access to your camera so that the application can use your camera from your device to search for questions to help you with. Now, if you tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, you will see that your account information is visible at the top. And this means that you have now successfully been logged in to your account on the Socratic by Google application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Socratic by Google application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.